If you want your sports game to sound amazing on Google TV, but don't know how to do it, it's usually because your TV or sound system isn't set up correctly for sports mode, surround sound, or optimal audio formats. In this video, I'll show you how to get the best sports sounds on your Google TV. So let's get started. Step 1. Adjust advanced sound settings. Open your TV and navigate to the settings gear icon. Go to Device Preferences or System, depending on your OS version. Scroll down to Sound. Now scroll down again and select Digital Output. From here, select Dolby Audio, Dolby Digital or DTS. Step 2. Use the Sport mode. Many TVs and soundbars have Sport mode or specialized sound presets. So while you're in the sound settings, find the option called Sound Style. Open it. Now select Sport mode. This enhances crowd noise, commentary, and dynamic range. And that's it. Now you know the steps to get the best sports sounds on your Google TV. If this helps you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Google TV tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.